Man, those scuds are moving so quick. I can't zoom in on them because, oh, there we go.
Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 4 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Yoder, Ellicott, Schriever Air Force Base, Peterson Air Force Base, Falcon, Cimarron Hills, Security Whitefield, and Stratmuir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.